students. How are you all? You all are fine at your home? Okay. So as you know, in last we studied about the MS Windows 7. So you know that Windows 7 is nothing but one operating system. Okay, and when you start your computer, this operating system is need to load it in your computer. Okay, now today we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter number 5, learn to use MS Word 2007. So let's see what is the MS Word 2007. Do you like to write words and sentences in colorful designs and patterns? Yes or no? Yes, because when you are going to make the greeting cards, in that you can use the different styles to writing, then different colors you can use. Also when you are going in the market, जब आप market जाते हो तो you can see the shop names are written in designs manner. Also the some boards or posters are written in colorful writing. Yes or no? So are you like it? Yes na? Yes. So how you can do it? You can do it using a computer. ओके, कंप्यूटर का यूज़ करके आप वो डिज़ाइंस एंड पैटर्न्स में आपकी राइटिंग राइट कर सकते हो. यस ना? ओके, सो यू ऑलरेडी नो द यूज ऑफ कीबोर्ड एंड माउस. यस और नो? इन द फर्स्ट टर्म वी स्टडी अबाउट द यूज ऑफ कीबोर्ड एंड माउस. नाउ you also know how to write a text. So what do you mean by the text here? Text means जो भी आप कुछ टाइप करते हो by using the computer, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? text. Okay, so in the last class or in the previous class you study about the WordPad and Notepad. That means by using the WordPad and Notepad, how you can type, that you know. Okay, now you will learn how to type using a software called MS Office Word 2007. So here you see MS. So what do you mean by this MS? MS means Microsoft. It is the name of company. Okay, so this company made a software called as a MS Office. ओके, कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया कंपनी ने? MS ऑफिस. सो व्हाई गिविंग द नेम ऑफिस? बिकॉज यू नो दैट इन ऑफिस देयर आर द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ वर्क, like to type the letters, to type the documents, to do the calculations, to show the presentation. So for doing these different kinds of works in the office, this software is made for this office purpose. Means ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर है MS ऑफिस, इसमें बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशंस है, लाइक वर्ड 2007, एक्सेल 2007, पावर पॉइंट 2007, डेटाबेस 2007. ये जो डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशन है ये डिफरेंट वर्क्स के लिए यूज़ की जाती है, राइट. सो फ्रॉम दैट in this chapter we study about Word 2007. Okay, so let's see what is this Word 2007. This Word 2007 is nothing but a word processor. So what is means by the a word processor? A word processor is an application software that helps you to type the text on the computer. ये word processor क्या करता है? एक एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर होता है कि जो हमको हेल्प करता है टेक्स्ट टाइप करने में कंप्यूटर के ऊपर. यानी जो भी कुछ हमको टाइप करना है टेक्स्ट, वो हम ये वर्ड प्रोसेसर के हेल्प से हम टाइप कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो द प्रोसेस ऑफ टाइपिंग यूजिंग अ वर्ड प्रोसेसर इज नोन एज अ वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग. ओके, ये जो प्रोसेस है टाइपिंग की, बाय यूजिंग दिस वर्ड प्रोसेसर सॉफ्टवेयर वी कॉल्ड इट एज ए वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग. Okay, so different kinds of word processing software are available in the market. So which are they? Some of them are MS Word, Notepad, WordStar, OpenOffice Writer, WordPerfect, PageMaker. So these are the names of the software by which we can type the text. Okay, so let us see about MS Office Word 2007. That means this word 2007 is also one kind of word processor. Okay, word processor means what? यहाँ पे क्या की जाती है? वर्ड के ऊपर प्रोसेस की जाती है. दैट मीन्स दिस वर्ड इज टू बी बिग राइटिंग और इन द स्मॉल राइटिंग. आप उसको बिग में लिख सकते हो, स्मॉल में लिख सकते हो, डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स में लिख सकते हो. यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट इन द कर्सिव मैनर. यू कैन गिव द कलर्स ऑल्सो टू टाइपिंग दैट टेक्स्ट. जो भी आप सेंटेंस और वर्ड्स राइट कर रहे हो उसको आप कलर्स दे सकते हो, डिफरेंट एनिमेशंस दे सकते हो. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस सी these pictures of showing different application software to type the text. That means these are the pictures of word processor. See, this is the WordPad window, this is the MS Word, and this is the page maker. So by using this you can type the text or you can do the word processing. Now let us see what are the uses of word processor. Look at the following pictures showing how a word processor is used by different people to do the different kinds of work. Okay, that means this word processor we can use for doing the different kinds of work. So in the first picture you can see making a timetable. A teacher is there and teacher is making a timetable. Okay, by using this word processor. Second use, making a business report. By using this word processor you can also make a business report. Now the next third one, type an essay or letter. So by using this word processor you can type the essay, you can type a letter, you can type anything. You can make also greeting card. Okay, different advertise come in the newspaper that you can also make by using this word processor. Okay, the different books will be written. These books also we can return by using this word processor. Students, now we can see the features of a word processor. Feature means what? Advantages. So why we use this word processor? So these are the some advantages are given. For that we can use a number one, you can edit words and sentences. Edit means you can cut it out, you can copy it out. Okay, number two, you can changes the sizes, styles, letters and make them colorful. You can also change their size, styles. That means you can also write in the cursive manner. Also you can give the any type of color, animations to that text. Next, okay, you can set the margins of your page. So what do you mean by the margins? Just see in the book. See, this is your computer book. And you can see at the four sides of that page there is some space is to be leave. Here you can see top side, at the bottom side, then left side and right side. Some space is leaving. This space is called as a margin. So you can also set the margin of your document page. Our next feature is you can cut, copy and paste the text. So by using this word processor you can cut your text. Whatever you type you can cut it out, copy it out and also paste it out. Okay, now the next is you can check and correct the spelling and grammar. When you are writing, if by mistake your spelling mistake is there, any grammatical mistake is there, so it can be checked by using this word processor. The next one is you can insert a picture in your document. अगर आपको टाइप करते समय कुछ पिक्चर इंसर्ट करना है रिलेटेड टू दैट टेक्स्ट और टाइपिंग, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो इंसर्ट इट और एड इट. नेक्स्ट इज यू कैन प्रिंट योर डॉक्यूमेंट. सो वॉट एवर वी मेक by using this word processor you can also take it the printout of the same. Okay, so these are the features of a word processor. Okay students, now let us see how we can start this MS Word 2007. MS Office Word 2007, that means Microsoft Office Word is popularly known as MS Word. इसको हम शॉर्टकट में क्या बोलेंगे? MS Word. And we will learn about MS Word 2007 because in 2007 it is to be launched, so it is name given 2007. Okay, chalo, how to start it? Let's start. Step 1, click the start button. First you have to click on the start button. Step 2, click on all programs. You know that when you start on the start button, all programs option is to be shown. You have to just click it on that all programs. Then again a pop-up menu is to be open. Now step 3, click on the MS Office option. One option is coming, that is MS Office. So you have to just click it on this option, MS Office. Now the step 4, click on the MS Office Word 2007. Okay, so as you know that I tell you that in MS Office there are so many applications, Word 2007, Excel 2007, like that. So you have to just select the MS Office Word 2007 and just see step 1, start button. You have to click it start button, then all programs. Step 2, click on the all programs. Now step 3, a pop-up menu is to be open. In that you can click this MS Office. See this MS Office option? Now there are so many applications in the MS Office. Can you see it? Yes. So you have to just select the MS Office Word 2007 and you have to click it. Okay. So these are the steps to start Word 2007. So when you start or click on this MS Word 2007, the screen appears as shown. This type of screen or window is to be appeared on your computer. So this we called it as a MS Word window. Okay, there are so many options are given on this MS Word window. So this option we called it as a elements. What we called it as a elements. So let us see one by one. First one is the title bar. Okay, so this is the blue color's horizontal bar is there. We called it as a title bar. Okay, so as you know, title is given. That means whatever the title of your document is given or shown in this title bar, and if name is not given, so by default it is shown document 1. अगर आपने कोई name नहीं दिया है तो वो document 1, document 2. In this way, the title bar shows the name. Okay, so this is the title bar. So it appears the top of the screen. कहाँ पे होता है वो top of the screen? Title bar displays the name of the current document. जो भी आप document में work कर रहे हो उसका name show करेगा and the current program का भी name show करेगा. It also contains the minimize, maximize and close button. It also holds the quick access toolbar. Let us see what is there on that title bar. You can see in the right hand side corner there is a minimize button, maximize button and a close button. 3 buttons are given on the title bar, and in the left side you can see the quick access toolbar. Can you see this quick access toolbar? आपको पता है quick access toolbar हम क्यों यूज करते हैं? It is the shortcut of the so many options. कुछ options जो हमको repeatedly लगते, again and again लगते, उसका हम shortcuts के लिए we can use this quick access toolbar. Yes ना? So this same type of quick access toolbar is also available on the title bar. Okay. Now the next element is the ribbon. You can see this ribbon. Okay. So see this ribbon. The ribbon. This is the picture of ribbon. So you know that ribbon shows what? The ribbon has the 2 parts, tabs and the groups. Okay, so these are all the tabs: home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, reference tab, mailing tabs, review tab, view tab and mat type tab. So these are the tabs and these are the groups. In that so many options are grouped. Okay, so we called it as a group. So each tab commands arrange in the different groups. Okay, so this is the ribbon also available in this MS Word 2007 window. Now the next element is Office button. It contains different menus to work in the Word 2007. Let us see where is the Office button. See, this is the Office button. So by using this Office button, you can use the different options related to this document. Okay, now the next is, you can see document area. So what is meant by the document area? It is the large space to type the text. See, this is the blank page, like white color page is given. So this is nothing but the document. So whatever you type, it is to be shown in this document area. Okay. Now the next is cursor. You can see a small standing line is here. We called it as a cursor. Okay, it is a small blinking line. So by seeing this cursor, that means you can type your text by you starting this cursor. Okay. So the blinking line on the document area is called as a cursor. It tells the position of to type the text. That means जहाँ पे भी आपका cursor होगा, वहाँ से आपकी क्या हो जाएगी? Typing start हो जाएगी. Okay. Now the next is the status bar. So see, where is the status bar? Yes, you can see this status bar at the bottom side of this window. Yes, this is called as the status bar. So this status bar shows the number of pages, the number of words or the number of letters you can type in this document area. Okay, so this status bar shows your status. Okay, now the next is ruler. You can see this ruler. Yes, there are two rulers, horizontal ruler and a vertical ruler. Okay. So it keeps the track of the page margins and height and width of the page. So by using this ruler, you can set your margins of the height and width of your page. These are the elements of this MS Word window. Okay, which one? So let's recall it. Title bar. Then on title bar there is a quick access toolbar, minimize button, maximize button and close button. Then there is a office button is given. This is also one kind of element. Then this is a ribbon is available here. Ribbon has two groups. It is the tabs and groups, two parts, tabs and the groups. Okay, now the next is this document area, then the cursor, then rulers, then status bar. Okay, so these are the main elements of this MS Word 2007. What is IT update? MS Word 2013 is the latest version of Microsoft Word released on the 29th January 2013. Okay, today we study about the 2007 version. But latest version, this MS Word 2013 is also come into the market and it is released on 29th January 2013. That's all for today. Okay, so what we see about what is MS Word 2007 and what are the elements of MS Word 2007 window. Now in the next class or next video, we see about how we can create a document, how we can save the document and how we can type the text in our document. Okay.